I was working in the oil and gas industry for the last 12 years of my career before I got retrenched. The poor outlook of the oil and gas industry led my company to downsize by about half. It wasn't just a loss of income. I was questioning myself, who am I? What am I good at? It really damaged my confidence. You have any idea on what I should do next?
Probably they should also take a step back to understand themselves a bit better.
Really identifying the achievements that they've had in the past, what skills were leveraged and utilised.
To understand what his strengths are, what does he like doing, and most importantly, what are his skills.
And whether these skills and interests could be transferred to another industry.
We goes back to the VIPS, values, interests, personality and skills. So knowing himself a bit better first before he start looking at the opportunities that are available to kind of better assess if they are a good match. Rhizac profiling to guide individuals to find out what are their interest areas in 6 main categories, which is RIASEC.
They say becoming a parent can really change a person. In my case, that change has lately spurred me to think about switching career. I have a daughter who is about 5 years old, and to date I have already missed 4 of her birthday because my job requires me to travel 75% of the time. Trained as a computer engineer, I started working as a sales for a solar energy company since graduation. This is where the money is. But honestly, this has become much less of a priority of late. In any case, do you have any advice for me?
How are all these priorities important to her compared to some others that she might used to have?
My encouragement to her is not to feel guilty because she is responding to a change in the values. Let the values speak out.
Whether is it she's really looking into work-life balance right now. It could also be about how does she define work-life balance.
Sit down and reconsider what really she wants. And also what are her interests in doing.
Understand where her knowledge and her skills are applicable and look for roles where the organizations would value the kind of knowledge and skills that she has.
I'm a 26-year-old fresh graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry who's trying to land a job that's unrelated to my qualifications. I want to enter the digital marketing industry after trying out web development during my free time in university. However, I'm not sure how to land a job without the proper qualifications. Any advice?
Review his participation in CCA, his leisure time activities, his interests.
Do you have other freelance experience? So all this ad hoc kind of experience could also be beneficial for him to move into this area.
If he wants to get into this field, he needs training. So perhaps he can do some volunteer work and at the same time maybe do a part-time course on digital media so that he prepares himself for this route.
So you have to keep abreast. So you have to read, you got to study, you got to do your research, you got to talk to people in the industry and stay sharp.
He may want to go and do some reskilling or even go on a career trial. He also can check out on the market information.
Very open-minded, very willing to try.
Very willing to take on issues and try.
Willing to adapt. They're willing to roll with the punches and take on challenges.
Right, their first response is never a no, but yes or let me think about it.
Self-awareness
Is key to job fulfillment.
And job performance.